Hello and welcome to Financial Fluence, and in this video I'll show you how to create a passive income stream by utilizing a simple Google technique and free software. You don't need money, a website, or affiliate marketing to start. So let's begin with step number 1. Go to news.google.com for more information. That will lead you to Google News, which is a Google-developed news aggregator service where you can access all of the latest news from across the world. You can see all of these different categories on the left-hand side, including your country, what's going on in the world, your local news, as well as business, technology, entertainment, sports, science, and health. If you click on business right here, you'll get all of the most recent business news, whether it's from your own country or from around the world. Moving on to step number 2. These news articles will be updated every couple of hours, and fresh ones will be published on a certain topic. You can see that there are multiple articles posted right here, and you can open any of them and use them to make money online. All we have to do now is click on this particular article, and this will get us to a different page. As you can see, this is a complete post that you can utilize to make money, and I'll show you how to do it. We will duplicate this article for this step. So for the purposes of this video, I'm just going to grab 2 phrases from this post to demonstrate how this works and how you can profit from these stories on Google News. Let's proceed to step number 3. Go to quillbot.com to get started. Quillbot.com is a free online application that will professionally rewrite these articles for you. As a result, you can utilize them to make money online for free again and over again. So all you have to do now is put your content into this box and click Paraphrase. It will also completely rewrite the article. The best part is that it's all done for you at no cost. So on the left, we have the original article, and on the right, we have the reworked content, which is now unique and ready to use. With a single click of a button, I can now copy this rewritten post and use it to generate money online. And you can do the same thing with all of these articles from other categories that are available in Google News, which come in every couple of hours, giving you thousands upon thousands of articles to choose from, each of which can make you money again and again. And lastly, in step number 4, with those repurposed articles, you have 2 options for making money. The first one will not make you that much, but the second one can make you thousands of dollars. In fact, many people from all over the world made tens of thousands of dollars as a result of it. Textbroker.com is the first and lowest paying option. It collaborates with major corporations like Yoast, Staples, eBay, and others. This platform will compensate you for the articles you write. Of course, you won't have to create those articles yourself since, as I just demonstrated, you can have them written for you for free with a single click of a button, utilizing a simple Google method for making money online. All you have to do now is go to textbroker.com and click the I Write Content button, and that will take you to the next page where you can find out more about how to make money writing articles for Textbroker. Textbroker's registration is completely free, and you can start earning money right away by producing various articles. You may now determine how much money you will make by going to the payment area right here and clicking on More Details. As you can see, you will get $50 for 1,000 words. On Google News, you can really find a lot of items that are 1,000 words long. As a result, the bigger the earnings, the longer the piece is. You will earn more money if your content is longer and better. So if you write 12,000 words, you might earn up to $600. The nice part is that you can repeat the process. However, keep in mind that this method will not earn you nearly as much as the second method of earning money with free articles. To get started with Textbroker, simply click on Free Author Registration right here. Create an account for free and begin earning money from your articles. The second option to profit from those free articles is to use freelance websites such as Fiverr.com, Freelancer.com, Truelancer.com, Guru.com, QuickenGigs.com, PeoplePerHour.com, Upwork.com, and so on. You can use many different freelancing websites, not just Fiverr, because using more of them would allow you to earn significantly more money. Your revenue can be tenfold if you sell on 10 separate freelancing platforms. However, if you just sell on one website, you'll only be able to make money from those articles in one way. As a result, the more you do it, the more money you'll be able to make. You can make the most money if you use as many freelancing websites as you can. This method is really easy to use and completely free. The best aspect is that it works anywhere on the planet. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like it, subscribe, click the notification bell, and leave your thoughts in the comment section below. See you again soon.